Welcome to our exploration of consciousness, a topic that has puzzled thinkers for centuries and continues to spark debate across fields like philosophy, neuroscience, and psychology. Today, we'll dive deep into the nature of consciousness and ask the fundamental question: what does it truly mean to be aware? Let's begin by defining consciousness. At its core, consciousness refers to our awareness of ourselves and our environment. But definitions can vary widely across different disciplines. Consciousness can be seen as a state of being aware of and able to think about one's own existence, thoughts, and surroundings. Yet, it encompasses a range of experiences that make it one of the most complex subjects in human understanding. There are various layers to consciousness, from basic sensory awareness to higher-order thinking, self-reflection, and emotional processing. Let's break these down further. 1. Basic consciousness. This is our immediate awareness of the world, sights, sounds, and sensations. 2. Reflective consciousness. This involves thinking about our thoughts and experiences. 3. Self-consciousness. This is an awareness of oneself as an individual, distinct from others. One of the biggest challenges in understanding consciousness is what philosopher David Chalmers calls the hard problem of consciousness. This refers to the difficulty of explaining how physical processes in the brain give rise to subjective experiences, those unique feelings and perceptions we each have. Think about it: brain cells firing can be measured, but how do we measure the experience of tasting chocolate or feeling love? These subjective experiences, often called qualia, remain elusive. Qualia are the building blocks of our sensory experiences. They are deeply personal and subjective, making them difficult to study scientifically. Next, let's explore different states of consciousness. Our awareness is not fixed, it can shift dramatically. Consider dreams. When we're asleep, our consciousness takes us to worlds shaped by our imagination. During REM sleep, our brains are highly active, creating vivid dreams. Some researchers suggest that dreaming may serve important functions, like emotional regulation and memory consolidation. Another altered state is meditation, which can lead to deep introspection and relaxation. Psychedelics, too, can alter consciousness dramatically, providing insights and experiences that challenge our typical understanding of reality. Altered states can provide profound insights into our own consciousness. They challenge our typical understanding of reality and self, often leading to transformative experiences. This brings us to the relationship between consciousness and the self. What is the self, and how does it relate to our conscious experience? Some theories suggest that our consciousness is shaped by a narrative we tell ourselves, a story that evolves as we move through life. The narrative self is an ongoing story we create based on our experiences and memories. This self-concept influences how we perceive the world and our place in it. Our identities are constructed from our memories, experiences, and the narratives we build around them. This storytelling aspect of consciousness is vital for our sense of self. But what about artificial consciousness? Can machines ever achieve awareness? This is a hot topic in AI research. While we've developed advanced algorithms that can mimic human conversation and behavior, does that mean they are truly conscious? Current AI lacks subjective experiences. While it can process information and respond, it does not have feelings or awareness in the way humans do. While machines can simulate certain aspects of human cognition, the essence of conscious experience, the feelings, the inner life, remains uniquely human. Finally, let's consider how different cultures perceive consciousness. Eastern philosophies often view consciousness as interconnected and transcendent, while Western thought tends to focus on individualism and rationality. In many Eastern traditions, consciousness is seen as a continuum, often linked to spiritual practices. This view contrasts with the more analytical, often fragmented approach seen in Western philosophy. These differing perspectives on consciousness shape not only our understanding of the mind but also our values, ethics, and social structures. As we've seen, consciousness remains one of the most profound and challenging concepts to explore. Whether through the lens of science, philosophy, or cultural studies, our understanding is still evolving. We invite you to reflect on your own consciousness, and what it means to be aware. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. What are your thoughts on consciousness? Share your reflections in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation.